Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove the rear bumper from your Chrysler 300. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Also, grab a 10mm socket wrench with a small extension. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's start with the initial disassembly. Begin by turning your wheels inward to access the rear wheel wells. Inside each wheel well, you will find 2 Phillips head screws. Carefully remove these screws from both sides. After that, move underneath the vehicle and locate the plastic clips along the bottom edge of the bumper. Use your trim removal tool to pop these out. With the wheel well screws and bottom clips removed, the bumper is almost free. Now, open your trunk and look along the top edge of the bumper, where it meets the body. You will find several main clips. Carefully use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips outward, releasing the bumper from the vehicle's frame. Take your time and work slowly across the entire top edge. As the final clips release, carefully pull the bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any electrical connectors for your taillights or parking sensors. Disconnect these before fully detaching the bumper. Place the bumper on your prepared soft surface. Reinstallation is the reverse process. Ensure all clips and fasteners align perfectly for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.